Stop scrolling. Did you know that 2026 is the perfect year to get a Thailand Golden Visa? Most people don't realize the huge benefits waiting for them. And if you miss this chance, it could take years before another opportunity like this comes. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why now is the best time to apply, the benefits you get, and step-by-step how to secure your Golden Visa legally. Make sure you watch till the end because I have a special tip that could make your application faster and easier. And if you want more insider tips on Thailand visas, work opportunities, and earning abroad, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thailand has always been known as a land of beauty, culture, and opportunity. From the serene beaches of Phuket and Krabi to the bustling streets of Bangkok, the country offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, making it one of the most attractive destinations for both short-term travelers and long-term residents. In recent years, Thailand has taken significant steps to attract global citizens who wish to live, work, and invest in the country through innovative long-term residency programs. Among these, the Thailand Golden Visa, now formalized through programs such as the Thailand Privilege Visa and the Long-Term Resident Visa, has become a symbol of opportunity, stability, and convenience. The year 2026, in particular, presents a perfect moment for individuals to consider applying, thanks to recent updates, expanded benefits, and strategic advantages that make this program both timely and valuable. The Thailand Privilege Visa, formerly known as the Thailand Elite Visa, has been a trusted pathway for long-term residents for many years. Its evolution into the Thailand Privilege Visa reflects not just a rebranding but a substantial enhancement of services, benefits, and accessibility. Applicants who choose this pathway are offered a visa with durations ranging from 5 to 20 years, depending on the membership tier selected, and the program is designed to provide both convenience and lifestyle advantages. From fast-track immigration at airports to exclusive airport lounge access and VIP services, the Thailand Privilege Visa allows individuals to experience living in Thailand with ease and comfort. Moreover, the program offers a structured support system that assists members with essential requirements such as 90-day reporting, property purchase guidance, and local services, ensuring that residents can focus on their personal, professional, and family goals without unnecessary administrative burdens. For many, this visa is not merely a permit to stay in the country, but a gateway to a lifestyle enriched with privilege, security, and flexibility. One of the most compelling reasons to consider applying for the Thailand Privilege Visa in 2026 is the combination of limited-time promotions and the newly structured tiers that enhance both the practical and lifestyle benefits for applicants. Special membership offers, particularly for the bronze, platinum, and diamond tiers, are available for a restricted period, with family add-ons and extended benefits that make the program more accessible and rewarding. By applying now, individuals can secure these promotions before they expire, guaranteeing the current pricing and package structures while also benefiting from perks that may not be available in future iterations of the program. Additionally, the introduction of a privilege point system allows members to redeem points for a variety of services, including airport transfers, luxury hotel stays, medical services, and concierge support. This system enhances the overall value of the visa, transforming it from a traditional residency permit into a comprehensive lifestyle enhancement package. Thailand's appeal extends beyond policy and administrative advantages. The country offers an extraordinary quality of life that is difficult to match elsewhere. With a tropical climate, world-renowned cuisine, and a rich cultural heritage, residents enjoy a lifestyle that balances relaxation, recreation, and professional engagement. The cost of living, while variable depending on location, is often lower than in many Western countries, providing a high standard of living for expatriates. Healthcare is widely accessible and of high quality, with internationally accredited hospitals in major cities, making Thailand particularly attractive for families and retirees. Education options are also expanding, with international schools and universities catering to expatriates and their children. The combination of these factors creates a holistic environment where individuals can pursue personal development, career advancement, and family well-being in a setting that is both vibrant and secure. Moreover, Thailand's strategic location within Southeast Asia adds another layer of attractiveness for Golden Visa applicants. The country serves as a regional hub, offering easy access to neighboring countries, business markets, and travel opportunities across the continent. Bangkok, as a major international aviation hub, provides convenient connectivity to global destinations, while secondary cities like Chiang Mai, Phuket, and Pattaya offer diverse living environments ranging from cosmopolitan urban centers to serene coastal or mountainous retreats. This flexibility allows residents to choose a lifestyle that aligns with their personal preferences, whether they prioritize professional networking, leisure, or immersion in Thai culture. The Golden Visa programs facilitate this flexibility by providing long-term stability and legal residency, allowing individuals to plan both their personal and professional lives with confidence. Another critical factor making 2026 the ideal time to apply is the broader context of visa modernization and policy evolution in Thailand. The Thai government has demonstrated a clear commitment to attracting high-quality international residents through continuous updates to visa categories, digital services, and support systems. This includes the introduction of e-visas, enhanced online application processes, and improved support for families and dependents. By applying in 2026, applicants can benefit from these modernized systems, which reduce friction, improve efficiency, and enhance overall convenience. The combination of updated regulations, technological enhancements, and strategic incentives ensures that residency applications are not only simpler to process but also more secure and transparent, providing peace of mind to individuals and families making a long-term commitment to living in Thailand. The financial considerations associated with the Thailand Golden Visa programs are also structured to provide value and predictability. The Thailand Privilege Visa, for instance, offers clearly defined membership tiers, each with specified costs, benefits, and durations. By choosing the appropriate tier, applicants can align their investment with their lifestyle preferences, family needs, and long-term plans. Similarly, the LTR visa provides predictable residency terms, tax advantages, and potential pathways for business or property ownership, making financial planning more straightforward and secure. The combination of lifestyle perks, administrative convenience, and financial clarity makes these programs a compelling choice for those seeking long-term stability, personal fulfillment, and strategic positioning in Southeast Asia.